Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to start up your cupcake business. Okay, are you idle? Do you want a side hustle? Do you want another business that you can be doing to be cashing out? Cupcake business is another business idea. Okay, so let's jump right inside the video. For this cake, I'll be using 1 kg margarine, and I will also be using my flavor. This is vanilla flavor. You can use any other flavor of your choice. I'm using 1.3 kg flour, and I am using 20 egg. You can measure with your scale if you have scale. Then I'm using 2.5 cups of sugar. The rest inside here, I have my 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this commercial cake. Okay, you can add milk if you are a milk lover, but this is a commercial cake. I don't think milk is needed in the cake. I'll go ahead to start creaming the butter, after which I will add in the sugar. After creaming for 10 to 15 minutes, I will go in with my granulated sugar. So guys, don't forget that if you have a mixer, you can make use of your mixer. Okay, I love using my stainless bowl and maybe spatula or rolling pin for my baking tutorial. The reason why I always do this to encourage people who do not have mixer or who cannot afford to buy mixer, giving them ideas and giving them hope that they can also bake their cake with or without having mixer. So what I'm trying to say is that if you have a mixer, you can go ahead and use your mixer. So right here you can see the butter and the sugar is looking pale, fluffy and light. Make sure you're going to cream this until it is this way. Okay, I had to go off camera to continue creaming until it is fluffy. You can see the color has changed. It is ready. Then we can go ahead to start prepping other things that we're going to be using for this cupcake. Okay, make sure to cream your butter and sugar to be fluffy and to be very light. If you really want this cupcake to come out fluffy, make sure you cream it very well. I also have a recipe that you don't need to start creaming sugar, butter before mixing your cake. That recipe is called all-in-one method. I'm going to be leaving the link of that recipe in the description box. So right here, I had to get a bigger bowl to add in the margarine and sugar, because with that small bowl, it is not going to contain everything that I'm going to be mixing. So that's the reason why I changed the bowl to a bigger bowl. Okay, so guys, I've started the mixing proper. Make sure to whisk your egg. I don't really know if I captured where I whisked the egg or not. Okay, so right here you're going to be alternating the flour with the egg, and while doing this, make sure you're going to end this mixture with the egg mixture. Do not end it with the flour. Make sure you end it. The last thing you will add is your egg until everything is well combined. Okay, so guys, if you are watching this video and you know you've benefited something from this video, please invite your friend to this channel. Okay, and if you know you have a question, please leave the question in the comment section. I will attend to your question. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, subscription is free. You don't need to pay money before you subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be the first to get notified each time we post a new video. Okay, So guys, the cake batter is ready. I'll go ahead to set it aside and I will start greasing my baking tin. Make sure to grease your baking tin properly, okay? The reason why you have to grease it properly, so that when the cake is finally baked, it will come out from the pan easily, okay? Grease it very well so that your cake will not stick to the baking pan, okay? I will go ahead to start distributing the cake batter into the cake tin, okay? If you have a scale and if you have that time, you want to scale your batter before baking it, you can go ahead to do that, okay? But we don't really have that time to start scaling our batter before baking. If you have that time, please, I would love you to do that, okay? So guys, I'm already preheating the oven, okay? For this pancake, you're going to bake it for about 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven temperature, okay? Hey guys, so here we are after 30 to 35 minutes. You can see that our cake is properly baked, okay? So you can see the cake, okay? You can make out time to visit supermarkets around your area or maybe shop around your area, and you can start supplying these beautiful cupcakes to them. And trust me, you're going to make cool cash from those business, okay? So guys, you can look for a good nylon or a good packaging stuff and package this cake and sell to your customers, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. I really do appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.